Yes, greetings. I am greeting you this day. I am going to ride with you on a very topic I love so much, and a topic that really makes me thinking. On a topic that really makes me thinking. On a topic that really makes me like getting myself together. Remember, my name is Chidi Ikenna Amobi. I'm going to ride with you on a topic that says how to see the possibility in every impossible situation. How to spot the possibility in every impossible situation. When something looks impossible, it frightens us, it challenges us, it makes us feel dejected, it makes us feel as if we cannot handle it. Something is impossible because you think it is impossible. And when something becomes impossible, it is when it can never be done. It can never be handled. It is impossible. It is impossible. But this minute, I am going to tell you how to see the possibility in that impossible situation, in that thing that you think that can never be done on earth, in that thing that you think that no one else can ever try to do it. I want to tell you how to spot the possible icon in that impossible situation. Number one, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe that you are going to go on this journey. Believe that you are going to go on this cave. When you go on a cave is very dark and very frightening, very terrifying environment, where you see and stuff that can really physically frighten you. So when you're going through that cave, I want to represent the impossible nature of things as a cave. In this minute, I'm giving it a name as a cave. That cave you are going through is a very dark, dark and terrifying environment. But there's still a possibility. There's a possibility that you can still walk through that cave and come to the other end of it, because there's always light at the end of the tunnel. So this minute I'm going to tell you, I am telling you that in impossible situation, there is light in it. There is still light. You can still spot light. If that light doesn't show, if you don't see that light when your eyes are open, close your eyes and see the light. I so much believe in closing eyes to see what is hidden from the physical realm. You see it from within when your eyes are closed. So this minute I'm going to tell you how to spot that light, that possibility in that impossible situation. One is believing in yourself. Two is understanding your mission. Understanding what you are doing, understanding what you want to do, understanding the importance of what you want to do, understanding that this is what I really need to do. I really need to go on this journey. I really need to start this business. I really need to give this birth. I really need to give birth to this child. I really need to build this house. You need to understand what you want to do. Then number three is determination. You determine that you want to do this. You determine that you really want to do this. That you really want to make this mark. That you really want to be remembered with this. That you want the whole world to celebrate you with this. It is all about determination. But let me tell you something. When you're determined to do it, it is not an easy thing. You have to know that. Whenever you want to do something you've not done before, you must be rest assured to see something you've not seen before. It is just the formula. Anytime you want to embark on a journey that you've not really embarked upon before, be sure to meet some persons and some humans and some anything on the way. Then how would you pass these challenges when you see them? Determination. You are determined to do this. I know I am not going to die on this mission. I know I am going to do this mission. I know I'm going to do it. Even when it seems deadly, even when it seems like I'm going to die there, I know I'm not going to die. That is determination. Once determined, you make move. You see yourself going through that difficult challenges, and once determined, the good forces of nature will be behind you, will strengthen you. That is one thing with faith. That is one thing with determination. That is one thing with belief. When you believe, you attract some good forces around to come and be with you, to come and strengthen you. And God will be talking to you at that time. The only message you'll be hearing that time is positive message. Is positive message. I can. It pains me when somebody says, I can't do this. I can't do this. Don't tell me you can't. You cannot do this. Meaning it is you can never try it out, or you can never do it. It is wrong. Always make that impact. Always make a move. Always sit up. Stand up. Make a move. And you see that changes come to reality. Then finally, believe in God. You must have determined, fine, then you believe in God that this mission is achievable, that this mission is, I can really do this, I can really achieve these things. That is the only way you can spot the possibility in that impossible situation. Don't magnify it. That is number 5. Don't magnify it. Don't magnify the mission. Don't magnify the journey. Don't magnify that particular challenges. See it as a small thing. See it as nothing. See it as something you can easily handle. When somebody asks you, hey, can you do this? It's very simple. I can do it even more than you expected. Oh, really? Within you, you've not tried it before. Within you, you've not done it before. Within you, you don't even know how it to be done. But because of your belief system, you say, I can do it. And once you say, I can do it, it is done. Once you say, I can do this, it is done. But once you say, I can do this, and in between the line, you started entertaining fear, I am sorry, because you will not achieve it again. I am sorry. So whenever you say, I can, boldly, fearlessly, still maintain that move, no matter what you see. There are things that will terrify you on the way, but still move on. When we were kids, we watched films, we say actors don't die. We call them actors, but they are protagonists, But then we call them actors, that's where we understand filmmaking that time, actors and bows. So we used to say that actors don't die. You see millions of people facing protagonists, shooting at him with so many guns, yet he still finds his way and move on. That is the kind of mentality I want you to apply anytime you are having a particular challenges, anytime you are trying to do that impossible thing. You apply the wisdom, you apply this particular perception that I can never die. I am an actor, I can never die. I am the protagonist, I can never die. That is just a mission. The life of every protagonist in every film is still your life to live, but you don't understand it. You watch it as a movie. You watch where Arnold Schwarzenegger is shooting a lot of people and they are dying, and he's having his way through, he's making his way through. And to the end of the day, he kills the bulls. We call them the bulls that sent out those guys to fight him. And that is the winning. So you believe yourself that these guys that will be sent to you, they are minor. Look ahead where the chief is. Look ahead where the main thing is. And before you know it, before you say Jack Robinson, you get to that place and you conquer. Whoever that conquers is that person that believes that he or she will conquer. Belief system is very important. So I urge you to always make use of these techniques, and you must do something you've not done before in your life. Try it and you'll find out yourself. Thank you very much for this wonderful time with you. Remember, my name is Chidi Ikenna Amobi. come leave a comment below if what I said really makes meaning to you. If it makes sense at all, leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel. I must be here to respond to your comments without any delay. Thank you very much for your time. I am still your wonderful friend, Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Bye bye.